Hey, Aiden. Aiden. You're drumming, huh? You want to try something new? Okay, let's try something new. I got a plate of whipped cream. I want you to play, okay? Look. Whipped cream. No, honey, you're supposed to stick your hand in it. It's not fun, it doesn't light up, huh? Oh, you're looking at me. Do I have to play with it too? Aiden. That's it. Squishing it. I can't zoom in. Yeah, that's it. Just rub it all over your foot and blanket. Go ahead, Hayden. That's right, I'm not snapping pictures, so I can't turn the camera any way I want. Here, look. Is that good? You look like Santa Claus. Here, let's add a little more. Santa Aiden! There you go. It's okay, Aiden. See how squishy it is? Isn't that fun? Yeah, that's it. Just keep rubbing it. Oh, you're barfing. That's probably why you've been cranky. Ooh, is that fun? Yeah, this was a bad idea. You're not even squishing it. You're just rubbing it on the blanket and your foot. Is it not fun at all? Don't lash out. You're gonna fall. Here, let me try something. This probably won't work, but I'm gonna try it. Ugh. No, don't stick your hands out. Oh, man. There, can you reach it better? This is probably... Oh, that was a bad idea. Your whipped cream's starting to melt, hon. You gonna squish in it? Yeah, that's it. Stick your feet in it.
I want you to come back. I'm not going to let you abandon me again. The problem is you can't stay in one place, Aiden. And no one can follow a leader who's never there.
Is that funny? No, that's horrible, isn't it?
No one's coming back.
Excuse us for a second. Hang on. Oh! You just kicked it right out of the plate. Ah! Ah! You know, I was gonna actually clean the plate when you were done, but Maybe the dog would want it. Oh no, your diaper's been in it. Ah! Sit back up, hon. Sit back up. It's okay. That way mommy can grab the camera. You having fun? You'd rather just have your drums, wouldn't you? Aiden, give YouTubers a big smile. Oh, hello. We got whipped cream action. Give the YouTubers a smile, Aiden. Aiden. You gonna make me Can't talk. You gonna make me pull up this Six Flags commercial again? So you can laugh at that? That's what the pillows are for. Come on, back up. Put in the plate. You got more whipped cream on your feet than you do your hands, which is the whole point of this. There you go. There you go. That's it. Just squish it around. Where are you going? You're just falling around more and more now. You're bored, aren't you? Oh, it's all over your diaper, man. Ah! Did you get it up your nose? You're like congested. Here. There you go. That's where it's more squishy. So I'm gonna say I've been filming for about, I'll say 6 minutes. The whipped cream is practically melted from the heat in the room, and now he decides to play with it. Yeah, I'm talking about you. And down you go again. Look at this. It's, oh, you can't see it real well, but it is saturated on the outside of his diaper too. Alright, I'm sitting you up one last time. And if you, oh crap, I just stuck my foot in a pile of whipped cream. If you fall down one more time, you're done.
What do you want? Guys, how about you let the ladies have a moment? We got nothing to talk about. Really do. I mean, we are, but here's something to me. You're criminal. You're making it hard for all of us. We worked hard long before we got involved. We're not the ones who picked this fight. We're just standing up for it.
Smile! What is it, Aiden? Up! 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 You're done. Wave bye-bye. Good boy. Oh crap.
just feel the same way.